Hi, I'm Russ Bauer from KALMETALL Corporation. I'm the sales manager for the company, and I'm here to introduce you to our KALMETALL W chrome carbide overlay welded plates. These plates are very abrasion resistant. They can be modeled into several different configurations, from elbows to flumes to cyclones. The chrome carbide overlay is a welded process, and it can be welded in plates up to 6 feet by 12 feet. The KALMETALL W welded overlay plates can use carbon steel base or stainless steel base. The range of bases can be from 1/4 inch up to 1 inch with single pass and double pass of the chrome carbide overlay weld. When using chrome carbide overlay welded plate, we can use in applications with temperatures up to 650 degrees Fahrenheit. The plate can be plug welded in or have studs added to the base plate to be bolted in, or it can be formed into elbows and cyclones by the uses of brakes or by roll forming. We stock many sizes of this plate in our facility in Urbana, Indiana, and have the capability of forming and or cutting the plate to match your configuration. Another application for the chrome carbide overlay plate is via pipe welding. This can be performed on pipes from 3 inches ID up to unlimited and lengths up to 10 feet. If you have an application where you think our chromium carbide overlay plate may be appropriate, please reach out to KALMETALL Corporation email, which is info@abrazist.com.